I'm Sarah Rhodes, and I am the owner of the Found House, and we are located in Central Phoenix, Arizona. I was so excited to partner with Urbanwalls because, for one thing, the facade of our building is a little boring and just gray, but also we really wanted to find a way to bring our aesthetic out to the windows to showcase for the passing traffic, and it has made the hugest difference. People are already coming in and like peeking in the windows and saying, "When are you open?" It's really crazy to see what kind of attention we're getting just with the vinyl on the windows.
My name is Danielle Hardy, and I am owner of Urbanwalls. I came across Sarah Rhodes on Instagram through a mutual connection, and I loved her aesthetic. I was so excited. I basically said, "Sarah, can we please do your storefront?" And she was so warm and opening and inviting to allow us to come here and just test out product that we wanted to try out. One of our biggest obstacles of our product is that it hasn't always worked with textured walls. I came across a really great substrate. I asked Sarah if she'd be willing to let us try it, and she was game for it. So we applied our wallpaper that we're introducing to our new collection in September. The final product is just something that I'm really, really proud of, and something that I am really confident to bring to our website.